In this video, we're going to show you how you can add another TikTok account. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more TikTok tutorials. If you already have another TikTok account that you'd like to add, or you simply want to create a new one, follow these next couple steps. Begin by opening up TikTok and tapping the profile icon in the bottom right. This is going to open up your profile page. At the top or underneath your profile picture, wherever it says your username, simply go ahead and tap on it and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. On this pop-up, simply go ahead and select Add Account. From here, it's going to either give you the option to create a new account by signing up, or scroll down to the very bottom and there's an option that says Already have an account, log in. Choose whatever preferred login method you would like to use and simply enter in your details. Once you're signed in, you'll automatically be switched to that account. To switch between accounts anytime, simply tap on your username again and then choose the options that appear for you. As you can see, I do have a few accounts here. But yeah, it's as easy as that. If you have any questions throughout this process, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. Have a great rest of your day.